A long time even sleeping.
We can extract it from you 4,500 grafts. Good morning, Daniel. I am Dr. Zafer. Please have a seat. First up, I want to look your donor area. I want to evaluate your donor area. From here until here, we will cover the frontal part with a high density. Also, you have some bold area to the crown part.
Yeah.
It's hiding. We will cover also this part. Okay. The middle part looks fine, looks good. Bold area is not big, and also your donor area looks fine. We can cover with a good density to this part. Good. If you are ready, we can start your surgery.
Greece, first time shaving, like ever?
No, I've done it.
Ah, you done it before.
Yeah, really good to shave head on me.
And now you are gonna feel the wind on your
Yeah, it feels
scalp.
so good.
The rain.
Yeah, it's fine. Seems all very professional. I'm just looking forward to the results. Yeah, you just have to lie there and you deal with it a little bit. I'm being just uncomfortable lying still for a long time, and eventually it's just one day of uncomfortability and then a few of recovery, and it should be quite good at the end. So they have to count them all, do they? A long time even sleeping.
We can extract it from you 4,500 grafts. We
Yeah.
will focus to especially the frontal area.
Yeah.
And also with the 4,500 grafts, we can do also the crown part, implantation.
Hello, I am Dr. Emin. I am working as a hair transplant surgeon with Estenove. He has a hair loss about the frontal area and the crown, and we did 4,500 grafts and the frontal area with a great density, and he is in the implantation now and everything is going well. Tomorrow he will come for the first wash and we will check everything. Stay tuned with us.